Slow VPN on iOS 26? Let's fix it. In this quick Q&A, I'll break down why VPNs can be slow on iPhones and how to stay fast and secure, even on flaky connections. Why is your VPN slow or unstable on iOS 26? Well, traditional VPNs encrypt all your traffic and send it through one server, which adds latency. On iPhones, switching from Wi-Fi to cellular, like when you step out of range of your router, often break the VPN connection entirely, causing dropouts and buffering. Can a VPN actually speed up your connection? Yes, but only if it uses channel bonding. VPNs like Speedify use channel bonding to combine Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, and other networks into one encrypted tunnel. More bandwidth, fewer dropouts, and automatic failover if one of those connections goes down. How does bonding work on iOS 26? It detects all active connections on your iPhone, Wi-Fi, cellular, even tethered Ethernet, and splits your traffic across them in real time. By default, most iPhones have both Wi-Fi and cellular, but it can only use them together with channel bonding. Speedify's channel bonding divides your internet traffic to send it over both connections, giving you more bandwidth. Plus, if one gets weak, the others pick up instantly, so your connection stays strong. Is Speedify secure? Absolutely. It uses strong AES 256 encryption. Plus, it's a no-log VPN. Speedify's channel bonding gives it another edge when it comes to security. If any of your internet connections experience momentary dropouts, the VPN tunnel won't break, and Speedify will make sure your other connections keep you securely and seamlessly online. So, how do you get started? Just download Speedify from the App Store. Open it, let it detect your connections, and tap Connect. No configuration needed. Any last tuning tips? Well, keep 2 active connections like Wi-Fi and 5G. Choose the closest VPN server. Enable DNS leak protection. Use split tunneling for work apps and upgrade to a paid plan for full features. A good VPN doesn't have to slow you down. Try these tips and let us know what worked. With Speedify on iOS 26, you can stay secure and fast, even when your network flips out. So, download Speedify today on the App Store or at speedify.com. If you want to learn more useful tech tips, subscribe for more videos like this.